3784 Parker Place in the historic oceanfront hamlet of Little River is a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-level home full of potential. Uniquely situated on a large cul-de-sac lot in the charming community of Golf View Plantation, this versatile home is one of the few in this neighborhood to feature a 2-car garage and an enclosed yard suitable for pets or family entertaining. Guaranteed to impress and provide unlimited comfort, this home offers abundant living space, large bedrooms, a fireplace, laundry room, and a kitchen with pantry and breakfast nook. Further complementing the outstanding design are an enclosed breezeway, a fenced yard, and new paint. This home's exclusive community offers low HOA fees, a private pool, and convenience to shopping, golf, restaurants, boating, and top-rated medical care. Make this versatile home yours today and be close to the best the Little River and Myrtle Beach areas have to offer.